Hi guys, we've got another server available and it's in Singapore, right? So if you're in the vicinity of Singapore or South Korea is the other one, right? Then you can try these out. Again, it's about mirrorlists, and mirrorlists is for me always the narco mirrorlist. This is how I do it. And you see here Singapore is already in there. So if you don't have that already, then you need to update your system. Ctrl-T, updating is a good thing, right? But yep, that sometimes happens because I'm pushing on the other computer system here to my back update. You know, if things like this happen, ArcoLinux repo, signature is invalid, failed to synchronize all data, is unexpected error. That's indeed for me also a very unexpected error. So fix key is the solution often, or key fix or fix keys. It's a few of these aliases we've put in our BashRC, ZSH or FishRC. And everything just gets wiped clean and we start afresh with ArcoLinux keys, ArcoLinux keys, kill the keys, and off we go. Never hurts that this is in there. While that's doing its thing, maybe we should do the following. Let me show you something, right? At the top, Amsterdam. This is just gibberish, it's not used. I'm gonna type my name, Eric. Ctrl-X, yes, save. So at this point in time, this is the content of the ArcoLinux mirror list. When we update our systems, we see that there's a new ArcoLinux system config kit. We say yes. And then the ArcoLinux tweak tool, Ctrl-Alt-E. So the thing is how to get the mirror list in. I've made several videos already, but a quick video for the mirrors, that there is this button, reset ArcoLinux mirror list. Because of the package that you have here now, the new update, you also have a file in there. There are many, the most important files, they have a backup there in that particular package. So it's linked to this one, reset ArcoLinux mirror list. Watch out what happens. It says here Eric at the top, reset. Original ArcoLinux mirror list is applied, and if we go for Ctrl-X and go up again, Eric is gone, right? So this is the easiest way if you don't want to go inside a code and go type things or go figure out what's happening, because it's all here, right? etc pacman-d, that's where it all happens. That's where we have the ArcoLinux mirror list, and a backup has been created because of the push of the button. So voila, that's it guys. So if you want to have the Singapore server and try it out, of course it's not used, right? The first line is used. So if you're living near Singapore and say want to try it out, then this is what you should do. Things can be done as well in the tweak tool, but Singapore is like 20 minutes old, so it's not yet in the tweak tool, but try it out. So if I do a Ctrl-X and yes, it's easy for me to check. If I do an update, all the databases are coming in from Singapore, and we see all these things, right? So Singapore still needs to sync. That's why this is now this is made, I don't know, an hour ago or something. So it still needs to sync all these things. So that's normal for me, right? But if you want to test it, I always use the biggest, well, one of the biggest applications, and that's WPS Office. That's coming from the Excel large with a dash. And if it's slow, I'm in Belgium, if it's slow, it's probably coming from there. But this is faking it because I have cache. I delete my cache. I don't have the package anymore. It needs to be downloaded now. Pacman doesn't find anything in the cache. Aha, and then it works, right? So now it takes like a minute and 15 seconds. So all the way from Singapore, that file is coming at a speed of 5 megabits per second. But that's normal for me, right? I'm in Belgium. But if you're near to Singapore, you'll get a faster connection. Indeed, that's something that we hope that will occur. So try it out, and cheers.